أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 1. Haruf Mufradat, individual letters. The Haruf Mufradat, individual letters, also known as the Haruf Tahajji, are 29 in total. Haruf Mufradat, in English we will read individual letters, and we will read in Urdu Haruf Tahajji. Pronounce the Haruf Mufradat, individual letters, according to the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat, with the Arabic tone and accent. Avoid Urdu pronunciation. For example, do not read be, te, fe, he, khe, toe, zoe. Instead, recite them in the following way: ba, ta, tha, ha, kha, ta, and la. From amongst these 29 letters, there are 7 that are always pronounced with a full mouth, that is, deeply. In every state, this group of letter is known as the Haruf Musta'aliya. They are the following: Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, La, Ghain, Qaf. When joined together, these letters are pronounced Khassa, Daghin, Qaz. Only 4 letters are pronounced from the lips: Ba, Fa, Mim, Waw. Excluding these letters, don't let the lips move during recitation. Alif, 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 Ba, 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 Ta, 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 Tha, 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 Jim, 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 Ha, 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 Kha, 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 Dal, 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 Zal, 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 Ra, 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 Za, 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 Sin, 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 Shin, 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 Sad, 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 Dad, Dad, ضاد طاء 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 ظاء 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 عين 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 غين 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 فاء 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 قاف 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 كاف كاف لام 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 ميم 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 نون 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 واو 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 هاء 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 همزة 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 ياء 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 ياء. If you like this video, please share it as much as you can on different social medias: Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook, and TikTok. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.